Hello student. In last lecture we have discussed three properties of K-map. How to prepare pair, quad and octet. Pair means group of two ones. Quad means group of four ones, and octet means group of 8 ones. We have discussed many examples related with this one. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss two new properties of K-map. These two properties are overlapping and rolling. Total we have to study 6 properties. 3 we have discussed in the previous lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss 2 more properties, and in next lecture, the last one. Okay, so let's start with property number 4. That is overlapping. As the name suggests, overlapping means you can use one more than once. Explain. You can use one more than once. And by using this property, you have to prepare the largest group. See, by using 2 pairs, if possible, we have to prepare a quad. In place of 2 pairs, we have to prepare a quad. Or by using 2 quad, if octet is possible, then our first priority is to prepare the octet. So your goal is to prepare the larger group, not pair, but you have to think with octet. Then you have to go with quad. And then last, you have to think about the pair. Okay. So for that, you can use one more than once. With the example we will discuss. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Now, suppose you are given a K-map in this fashion. 3 entries are high, remaining 13 low. 1, 1, that is pair. This 1, 1 is also adjacent, so that is pair. So this is also a pair. So here you can say that this one you have used 2 times. For this pair as well as for this pair. So that is why you can say that you can use one more than once. But your goal is to prepare the largest group. Okay. So So in this case, no 0 octet, 0 quad, 2 pair, and your y equals to this one, a bar, b bar cancel, c bar d. About this one, a bar b, c bar cancel, so it is t. A bar c bar d plus a bar bd. Okay, so here we have used 1 2 times. This is your example number 1. Second example, suppose you are given a truth table in this manner. So you are allowed to use 1 more than once, 2 times, 3 times, but your goal is to prepare largest group. So look at here. Combination of 8 is not possible, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones are there. So combination of 8 is not possible. Combination of 4, yes. This is the first one. Now this 2 makes a pair? No. By using this, a group of 4 1 is possible. So this is the point you have to be careful. By using these 2 ones, in place of pair, you can prepare a quad, and your target is to prepare the larger groups. So 1 and 2 quads are there. Now this one is left. In the surrounding areas, 4 ones are not possible, because this one is 0. But we can have a pair. So finally we have 2 quad and a pair. Again, 1 2 3 4. This quad is straightforward. 1 2 3 4. So second is your quad, group of 4 ones. And for this one, we have a pair. Clear? Now what is the equation? For this one, C bar, C bar, C, C, cancel. D bar, D, D, D bar, that is also cancel. So y equals to AB. About this one, A bar, cancel. B, C bar cancel. So we have D. And for this one, B bar cancel. So A, C, D bar. So AB plus BD plus AC D bar. So you can simplify K-map by using this property. Overlapping means you can use one more than one. Clear? Okay. Next property is rolling. Rolling means you can shift or roll once from left to right or from up to down. Rolling means you can shift or roll one from left to right or from up to down. By using this property, you have to prepare a larger group. Okay? If possible, then make a group of 8, otherwise 4, and then otherwise 2. Okay? So you can shift it from left to right or from top to bottom, up and down. Now to represent this, you have to use half circle. I will show you here. By using half circle, you can show the property of rolling. Suppose you are given this type of K-map. Six, and total we have 8 ones high, but these 8 ones are not adjacent, so as far as octet is concerned, it is not possible. Now how many quad possible? So this is 1. The second one is here. And this 2. And by using this 2, we have the third one. So 3 quads and no pair. 3 quad and no pair. Then what is the Y? Just carefully, for this one, A bar cancel, so B, and D and D bar cancel, so it is C. For upper one, same way, B and B bar cancel, so we have A bar, and for this part D bar cancel, so C. First one BC, second one A bar C, and now the third one, this one A bar cancel, so B. This part is clear. Second and third A bar cancel, so B. Now about this two, think about this two. So C bar cancel, so we have D bar. We have D bar. Clear? In this figure, this first 2 quads, that is very simple. The center one, by using the property of overlapping, you have prepared the second one. But for this two, Now suppose some students say that no sir, I want to use simply a pair for this one. Then what is the nature of equation? Okay, if someone is not using the property of rolling, okay, let's see this one. And say that I have two quad and one pair. So for this one, your y equals to BC. For this one, it is A bar C. And for this pair, A bar A cancel. So B, C bar, D bar. If some student not using the property of rolling and prepare two quad and one pair, then the nature of the equation is like this. In place of 6, we have 7 variables. Here we have 6 variables. So in exam, for this error, you will get 0 mark, because you have to prepare the simplified Boolean equation. This equation has 6 variables, this one is 7, so this is a wrong equation. Okay, so keep all these things in your mind. It looks simple, but in exam, if a minute error makes everything 0. So all the 5 properties you have to keep in your mind: pair, quad, octet, overlapping, rolling. Use all this one and try to prepare the simplest Boolean equation. We'll give you 1 or 2 more examples. Suppose this type of figure is given, in which total 9 entries are high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 entries are high. Okay, but group of 8 is not possible, either horizontal or vertical adjacent. Such type of 8 combinations are not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there, 7 is there, this one is missing. So missing. Quad doesn't exist. Now maximum combinations for group of 4. So first one is here, second one is here. Now this one and this one. So you can have a pair. So 1, 2, 3 is there. If this one is present, then we can have a group of 4, that is squared, but this one is 0. So first pair. Now by using this, group of 4 is possible. 1, 2, 3. 4 is not possible because these two both are 0. So pair number 2. This one. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straightforward it is possible. So we have 3 quads. number 1, number 2 and number 3, and 2 pair, 3 quad, 2 pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is quad number 1. Central figure number 2, this one by using the property of overlapping, that is number 3, and by using property of rolling, you have a pair number 1 and second pair is here. So prepare your equation. Y equals to, first for this one, it's very simple. A bar, A cancel, B bar, B bar, that is also cancel. So we have only CD. This one, A bar cancel, D bar cancel, so C. Third one, B bar cancel, A bar, D bar cancel, so C. A bar, C. This pair is simple, so first go with this one. A bar B, C bar cancel, so D. A bar B D. And this one. So your focus is on this two. A bar and A cancel, so B bar, C bar, D bar. So B bar, C bar, D bar. This is your answer. So in exam, you can first do the rough work and be sure that this is the simplest way. Is there any possibility of 4 quad? If it is yes, then that answer is more appropriate than this one. So again you can see 1, 2, 3. Only the thing is 1 is left here, which is not possible to make a group of 4. For this one, 1, 2, 3, but this one is missing. So anyhow, this is not possible. Same way here also it is not possible. So we have the simplest form is 3 quad, 2 pair. Okay. One more example. Suppose you are given figure in this manner, where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 ones are high, but they are not horizontal or vertical adjacent. So as far as octet is concerned, again in this case also it is 0. Now try to make a group of 4 ones. 1, 2, 3. So not possible. 1, 2, 3. So not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also not possible. 1, 2, 3. Not possible. So at the first look, we can say that quad is also not possible. But if we use the property of rolling, then it exists. 1 and 2. Okay. So we have 1 quad. Now 1, 2, 3, it's not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is also not there. So we have finally say that we have only one quad. Pair is concerned, this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay. Now only this one is left. So you can have a pair either with this one or with this one. Both answers are valid, but you have to choose any one. So let's say this one. So we have 3 pair. Okay, 1 quad, 1, 2 and 3 pair. So prepare the equation. So let's start with the largest group, that is this one. Focused here. So A and A bar cancel, B bar, D and D bar cancel, so C bar. This one, A bar, B, D. This one, A, B, C. This one, property of overlapping. D, B bar cancel. So A, C bar, D bar. Okay. So in this way, you have to think different combinations, but your goal is to prepare the largest group. Suppose if here 2 quad and 2 pair is there, suppose in this figure, then that answer is more appropriate than this one. In place of 1 quad 3 pair, suppose if by using proper properties 2 quad and 2 pair exist, then that is more appropriate. But in this example, we have only 1 quad and 3 pair. Okay. So 5 properties we have discussed to simplify the K-map. First one, to prepare a group of 2 ones, that is pair, group of 4 ones, that is quad, and group of 8 one, that is octet. And today we have discussed 2 properties, overlapping and rolling. Overlapping means you can use one more than once, 2 times, 3 times, that is, this is the example of overlapping. This one we have used 2 times, one for this pair, second for this quad. Second, that is rolling. You can shift up to down, left to right. So here up to down. In place of preparing 2 pair, I have prepared a quad. So this is a example of rolling. So by using this, you can have a simplified Boolean equation. In next lecture, mostly the last lecture of the K-map, we are discussing the 6th property. Eliminate unwanted group. And after that, you have to prepare a final equation. if in this figure any unwanted group exists, then you have to filter out, you have to remove it, and then you have to prepare the final one. So next lecture, that is on Saturday, I am going to complete this K-map. Okay, so properly prepare these 5 properties. K-map is a very important topic. Normally every year question based on K-map is there in your final university exam. So carefully solve this one. Okay, thank you.